Hi guys, so my name is Trishal. I'm the Chief Sales Officer at SKIL Events, and I have my good friend and colleague here, Ramanpreet Singh, who's our Chief Growth Officer in the company. So what we're going to do is today we wanted to take you through a short little walkthrough on how we started this project with Burkert, which is a German company, and how the journey started 2 months back, which went on for 2 months, and today we are actually getting into this event and concluding in 2 hours. So my friend Raman is going to take you through a little bit of detailing and the whole journey of what we went through from start, till D-Day as well. So over to you, Raman, while we walk through inside.
Thanks, Trishal. It's a factory launch that we are doing for a German company called Burkert, and the idea is to give you a quick run through of all the elements that we had planned, and things do feel good once we have executed what we had on a PPT. So we start with this entrance arc, the main place from where the people start walking in, and then we had a very nice welcome experience with Dhol, the Pune experience. The global teams were here, and then there's a registration desk outside with the hostesses beautifully dressed in white saris, and the idea is to give a very, very warm welcome to all the attendees and all the participants.
Like Raman said, sustainability was the key. Digitalization, was the key as well. So we got the Ritz-Carlton team to come and do the entire catering as well for the event. So how does it feel, Raman?
Feels good. This is the D-Day.
So we have a nice, beautiful hostess here to meet and greet all our guests coming in. We had a nice little mandap which we created for a puja ceremony before the start of the event, with a beautiful rangoli which was made last night, by the team. Over here, we had a nice instant photo booth which was capturing the Burkert logo as well. And we got these nice, beautiful instant photographs printed for all the guests who came as a small little giveaway, for them.
So 50,000 square feet of space, and a lot of elements to be thought of. So one of the most interesting idea that we could give was the journey of the brand. So this is the first legacy walk which talks about the journey of Burkert in India from 2005 till today, the inauguration of this plant in Talegaon. So it has a beautiful landscape of the entire journey. And on the other side, we have the global legacy wall, talks about the brand's journey from 1946 till today.
So as we enter inside, what better occasion than we have the owner of Burkert himself, Dr. Andreas Burkert, who's actually speaking to us and addressing the entire crowd. And as we enter to your right, we have a nice setup by the Ritz-Carlton team, who we were coordinating with, for the F&B and the lunch.
What we also wanted to do was give the customers who are coming as visitors a flavor of what Burkert does. So we have certain products here on display, and a lot of ideas for that as well in terms of the overall branding opportunity. And one of the most important things is that the idea is to keep the branding and decor very subtle. So we've used a lot of floral branding as well wherever required. And all these things which you see now are customized in terms of the look and feel for the brand and their products. To execute an event like this, it starts from the ideation. A lot of content has to be developed, a lot of ideation happens. The theme has to be set up in a way that it is loved by all. So from the idea of conceptualizing this particular event to executing it today with all the elements, along with our team at SKIL Events, it has been an amazing experience for us, an amazing learning. The 50,000 square feet of space, 200 people attending this event coming from across the globe. So it's been a pleasure for us to execute this event.
Like Raman said, from ideation to design to execution to adding all our other services, that makes the entire event a 360, for the client as well, isn't it?
Right. And the idea is that becoming that one-stop solution or a partner who can handle everything end-to-end, be it a global delegation, be it Indian customers, be it an employee event. So the idea is that every person should have something to remember from the event. So stay tuned for more action. right? And SKIL Events signing off. Thank you, guys.
Great. Cheers to everyone.
Cheers.
Thank you. Bye.